Sandstorm just blew in and we're stuck in the mall. So, and people are freaking out and you really can't see outside like a foot in front of your face. So we're gonna like hang out here for a bit. Maybe go upstairs so we're not breathing all this in. Okay, so we just managed to walk. How far do you think that was?
A very long way.
Yeah, in a raging sandstorm because we were desperate to get out of the dusty mall because we couldn't breathe. And we're gonna attempt to drive home, so, you know, should you find our bodies buried under sand.
We were attempting to get home.
We tried.
And here's what it looks like outside.
Yeah.
The crazy wind.
And like sand. But we, on a plus side, we got a nice exfoliation for free.
Yeah,
No more dead skin.
And need to throw out my contacts because they're filled with sand.
Ditto. Okay, bye! Here's a better shot of the wind blowing.
With the sand.
Yeah, it's not just wind or dust, it's actually sand.
Completely black.
Oh, there we go. That was a good gust. Alright, we're gonna attempt to drive home. Inshallah we make it.
Inshallah. So we can't even see the restaurant across the street.
Kind of like a snowstorm, but with sand.
This is driving home. And of course, being Kuwait traffic, everyone's impatient and there's a giant boat in front of us.
Yeah, apparently with no breakaways.
And
wind is howling. I don't know if you can hear it on there.
You can hear the sand hitting, and now because of this stupid boat we can't pass.
Currently picking sand out of my teeth.
Oh, he's moving over.
Oh, there's two of them. Oh, they pulled them out of the marina because of the waves, I bet.
Oh, it was so bad.
Look at the sand on them.
Can barely see the stoplights even though we are only 3 cars back. But the stoplights are up there.
It's a pretty sweet sandstorm.
Too bad it wasn't during the day.
Yeah. The sky would literally be black.
Alright, again, inshallah we make it.